Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a really easy and quick upgrade that I've been wanting to do to my Tesla Model Y. Let's get into it. So you guys obviously clicked on the title of the video and know what we're going to be installing today. We're going to be installing some shadow light, puddle light projectors from my friends over at YesLac. They sent these over to me. Big thank you to them. But yeah, this is something I'm wanting to do to my Model Y for a while. I see these all over the internet. I think they look really great. We'll get into the installation here and a review of the product. But what these puddle lights are is when you open your door, there is a light right underneath the door that shines onto the floor. And it's kind of to help you get in, make sure you can, see what's on the ground as you get out of the car or in the car. But what these puddle lights do is replace just a normal light with either a Tesla logo or the word Tesla or something along those lines. So these ones I picked up display the word Tesla on the ground. So I think it's going to be a really cool upgrade. So let's get into the unboxing here. Called 3D Shadow Lights. Pretty nice packaging. It comes in one of those like anti-static packages that kind of helps out keeping your electronics nice and safe. Let's see. Open this up. And this is a really simple upgrade. Super easy to do. We'll get into the install here, but this is all they are. Just two little lights that are going to replace the factory lights that are in your doors right now. Let's go down there and get into installing these bad boys. So I'm down here on the driver's side, and I want to get you guys a shot of what the puddle lights actually are. So I have the driver's door open, and I'm going to come right down underneath it. And this right here is the actual puddle light. And you can see it's on right now and showing some light. That's what we're going to be replacing. You're going to need just like a flathead screwdriver or something to help pry this light out. And then it's as simple as like a plug and play. So first things first is making sure your car is powered off. And we're going to come back after we turn the car off, and we're going to get to popping these out. So we have the car powered off and these door lights stay on. And first things first is you're going to need to just take your flathead screwdriver. I'm going to try to not be in the way. So I'm going to scoot you guys around this side. There we go. I'm going to put my screwdriver right here in this little notch. Just kind of pry out the old light. Don't be gentle with it. You don't want to break anything or any of the wiring harness that's up in there. There you go. One little pop should do it. And there's your old light right there. So we have the light out, and there's just a little tiny notch kind of on the back side here. I'm going to try to pull down, and you might use your screwdriver for this as well. Push that little notch down, and then your puddle light should come right out. Piece of cake. We're going to take the new puddle light, plug it right back into that same spot. Just like that. And that's your new puddle light plugged in. I did hear the window go up when I installed the puddle light, and then it came right down as we were done. So let's take a look and see what this looks like shining on the ground real quick. And I don't know if you guys can get you a shot of that. It says the word Tesla. Really nice, clean, really great looking letters. That looks sweet. So I'm going to set you guys back up, and let's get this back installed. Once your light's all plugged in, installing it is as simple as just moving the wire out of the way and plugging it back up into that housing. So you hear a nice kind of click. And there you go. I'll bring you back here. You can see the word Tesla on the ground, perfectly lined with the door. Well, it looks great. So we're over here on the passenger side, and I'm going to do this side without any cuts or edits so you guys can see how quickly you can actually do this. And I'm going to be using a trim tool on this side instead of the little screwdriver to see if it makes a difference. I got kind of up in that area. And right there, kind of got the light out. Take my little screwdriver, pull down on that little tiny tab area. The harness is out. Quickly grabbing the other one, lining it up, plugging it back in. Perfect. This one also says the cool Tesla logo right on the ground. Fish those wires out of the way. Line it up. And pop this one back in. And you're done. So we just finished up the install. Let's see how they look. Look at that. Love that. Nice, clean Tesla lettering. Super sharp image. Looks awesome. And real quick on the passenger side. Well, that about wraps up this super quick video. Overall, ease of installation, 10 out of 10. Couldn't be easier to install something like this. Easily plug and play, pop out the old lights, pop in the new ones, no worries at all. As far as the quality of the product, I also think 10 out of 10, something I highly recommend. Super nice, crisp, clear letters here on the Tesla ground. I really like just the simple Tesla word. You can also get ones that have the plaid symbol. I'll have a link to both of these down in the description from Yeslak's website. I've also seen others where you can get the actual Tesla logo, but I prefer just the word. I think it looks really sharp and clear. I love it. I think this is a super awesome upgrade, and it was super easy to install. It only took 5 minutes to get it all done. So highly recommend Yeslak as a company. They have great products, and this is another one of their bangers that I think is just sweet. So I love adding this stuff to the car. I'm a big fan of customization, as you can tell from the channel. I just really appreciate you guys coming back to the channel and checking out some of my reviews. So feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what some of your favorite upgrades you've done to your Tesla are, and we'll catch you in the next one.